Welcome to the next edition of War Story Wednesdays. Today, I want to talk about trebling of trees. I've mentioned before, I'm pretty sure, that you can get sometimes 2 and 3 times the amount of damages for discomfort and annoyance if you chop down a neighbor's tree, or a tree that's on a borderline between your property and a neighbor's property that's blocking your view. This is a case where an owner, Cave, of the uphill property decided that he didn't like the eucalyptus trees on the downhill neighbor's property, Jeanette's property. And so he had some trees on his side as well, and he hired Carlos to come and trim his trees. His trees, Cave said. Carlos, being a good soldier that he is, went ahead and trimmed and trunked and branched and did all that thinning that Cave wanted him to do on Cave's property. And then, apparently, Carlos got a little overzealous and went through the fence that divided Cave and Jeanette's property and, well, trimmed Jeanette's trees too. Trimmed. He cut them in half. He stripped all of the branches off of them. The Court of Appeals said it looked like he left behind denuded telephone poles. Jeanette was not happy and sued, seeking the treble damages for discomfort and annoyance, and won. Cave said, "I didn't hire Carlos to trim Jeanette's trees," and the court said he acted as your agent when he did it, whether you instructed him to or not. He was acting within the course and scope of his duties as your tree trimmer, and therefore you are responsible. So I've talked a lot about you have to be prudent when you're going to trim trees that don't belong to you. You also need to make sure that your tree trimmer acts prudently as well. We'll see you next week.